welcome to today's vlog. Today I think it's gonna be a little bit of everything because it was gonna be beach day / cruise, but now they're having the sandcastle event, so I have no idea what today implies. So you're just gonna have to watch the vlog to see, because I don't even know. So I don't know what I'm gonna vlog, so you'll just have to wait and see what I edit. But I love you, COCO FAM, and let's get into it. I promise these intros will get better as time goes on. But yeah, I'm just now getting back into my groove of YouTube and the tik-tok. As y'all know, I just did my first 2 lives, by the way. One on my own and then another one with Mads on our joint account. So yeah, I'm just now getting in the groove of actually doing all this social media stuff again. So please bear with me. But let's get into the video. No more talking. Because it is Sunday, April 7th at 8:07. It is 8:07 a.m. Yeah. 8:07 in the morning. And I am not a morning person at all. So I totally forgot to do the morning part, me getting ready, doing my skincare, all that. I didn't really do skincare much this morning like I normally do. But we're getting up and ready and on our way to meet for the cruise, for our dinner cruise and the sunset right now. So we are getting up and ready to go, and I will keep y'all updated, and I will try to film some. So yeah, and again, sorry I look horrible. I got like no sleep. We made it. Yep, we made it. You can see the Clearwater sign. Let's get this day started. What the heck is that? What is that? Pit stop. We're going to Starbucks. I'll update y'all what I get. So yeah, because we still have 2 hours before the cruise. They have this new croissant that I want to try. So I'll keep you updated if I get it. Waiting on our drink. Oh, there's Mana, and look how cool that thing is over there. But I got a Danish. There's way too much going on, but yeah, I got my coffee. I forgot to take a picture, but I got the new Danish. It was the vanilla one. So good. And yeah, and we're gonna start heading down to the cruise pretty soon and start boarding. So yeah, pretty fun. Look, they have a Ferris wheel and some slides. This is cool. They have like a little festival going on. It's like the same. That looks so fun. Waiting to cross to get on the boat. Or to check in to get on the boat. Crossing. Maybe I should add a little bit of me in this, so it's not all just places and things. Yep, we are boarded. There's Mana, there's Pappy, there's our drinks, our little party of 5. We are soon going to be getting dismissed row by row to go get food. I am super excited because I am hangry. I have not had anything all day because this chicken is my favorite chicken ever. I've been craving it, so I saved my appetite just for this cruise. So yeah, I will show you the plate as soon as I get it. Kind of like a mukbang or whatever. And I told y'all I was gonna devour my plate. It's gone. It's gone. Oh, that steak is good.
You're getting nosy. Yeah.
I'm gonna be funny and wave at it.
That's a badass boat.
Just to be funny. I'm gonna do my queen wave.
That is nice.
Look at the water birdies. Water birdies. I know that's not what they're called, but
Pelicans. Oh, pelicans.
I just want to point out how choppy this is. Like, I had to take headache medicine because I'm getting seasick, and I never get seasick or a headache while I'm on a boat or out on the water. But it's pretty out today. I saw some water birdies, and I'm seeing some besties out there. Like, we can wave to them. Like, I can't hear what he's saying, but here's some good sightseeing stuff if you want to take it in. At least I'm getting some sun. Feel it. I'm gonna get a sunburn today. It is nice though. Oh, there's Pappy. Yeah, look. I was saying I love how it makes the water look like this. With the little bubbles. How it's like split. Like regular bubble, regular. It's like soothing to me.
On the east-west channel, and now we're heading west, just in case there's anybody out there wondering what
It's a
direction
car.
we're going in and
That's
trying
so
to get your
cool.
bearings straight.
But like, it is choppy. It is choppy. But nice. I'm just glad it warmed up because it was cold. We're about to dock. Oh, there's another one. There's some over there. I don't know if I can show you without getting people in it. But yeah. Yeah, we're back at the dock. That was nice. That was a good, lovely cruise. I'm still so full. But yeah, we're back at the dock.
You guys going to the beach a little bit or something?
Yep, we're back. You going?
Yeah.
We are docked. We are waiting to get off, but people are lined up to get off. So I'm staying at the table waiting to get off because it's ridiculous.
Picture.
Oh, maybe I should get Astro one of those. A seashell dog bowl. Look how cool that is. That is all made out of sand. Like, that is so cool. Oh, it's a ladybug. It's so cute. Then you get my favorite part, the beach. The beach. Yep, made it to the beach. Made it to the beach. So happy. Oh, I can't flip the camera. Ah, my happy place. I just had to film this because the boat on the water with the TV, it looks really cool. I don't know what they're advertising, but they're advertising something, but yeah, that chair's in the way. Yeah, I'm gonna go put my feet in the water. It's probably gonna be cold, but we'll go just check. Oh my gosh, it's cold. It is cold. Y'all, it is cold, but it is so pretty. May be cold. It may be cold, but it is pretty, and I could stare at it for hours. Like, look how pretty it is. And it is nice today. Wonder if I can find a seashell. I try to find a seashell to put in our garden thing at home. We have a garden, but instead of a garden, it is full of seashells. So we call it the seashell garden. And there's some water birdies.
Come back down here and like.
That's a lot of seagulls.
You should see how many's at the landfill.
So much is going on, but it smells so good. I think it's that roasted corn. I want some. I want some of that. I'm gonna have to come back and get some. Ooh, neat. That's neat. They're the 3D things we saw with the other place that you and Nana have.
Oh my god, that's gorgeous.
Oh, look at the headband. That's cool. I love that.
Wow, those are gorgeous.
The earrings?
Yeah, those are earrings.
You're back with the Cool Girls concert. Coming to weekend. Yeah.
Oh, look at that. That's so cute. I need one. Oh my god, I almost fell. Ooh, more singing. Yes.
I promise
Yes,
I won't turn
queen.
around. I won't let you down. You can trust I never thought that.
Yeah. Bye bye, Clearwater. Till next time. I'm so sad. Heading home. I'm so sad. So sad. I don't ever want to leave the beach. I love the beach too much. But oh well, we'll be back here pretty soon. So it's okay. Till next time. It was a good day. All over the place, but it was a good day. I loved it. Yeah, you want popcorn? Did you miss your mommy? I got your favorite. Yeah, hi, Bubby. So, if y'all are seeing this, happy Tuesday. I love y'all. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I am sorry that it was all over the place. It was. Oh, Astro wants to say hi. Say hi, puppies. Say hi. He missed me so much today. It was like a sandcastle event going on. They were showing off sandcastles, had vendors, all that kind of cool stuff, as well as we did the dinner cruise, and we sat on the beach for a little bit, had ice cream, did all that fun stuff. So I try to incorporate a little bit of everything in there for y'all, but not to make it too long, because yeah, I know nobody wants to sit and watch like an hour-long vlog. I mean, maybe not. I know I have a short attention span. So yeah, I try to make them a little bit long, but not too long for y'all. But if y'all want longer ones, please let me know. And please let Mads know, and we will do what y'all want and what y'all like. We are trying to please y'all. So please, as well as if you have any ideas, please leave them down in the description. We love y'all, and thanks for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up. Please follow us on Instagram. It is linked in the description. And love y'all, COCO FAM. Till next time. Bye. Say bye, COCO FAM. Fam. Say bye. Say bye. Okay, bye guys.